So
Yes.
they've compared the 040 model, older model, with the new model. But
Yes.
for our test, Rohan, let's open ChatGPT and I'm going to take you to 2012 when you were a student at IIT JEE preparation. So today we are going to solve some tough physics, chemistry, math, maybe something. Let's solve some tough
Should I
HC
select
Verma
O1 preview
questions.
now then?
Yes, yes. We should go for the O1 preview. We'll try that first. There are limitations to that. We will see that later.
Okay.
Let's bring up our question rule break. Yeah,
So I
super.
think you first want to solve that civil engineering question.
Yes. So I want to test the model on reflection, how it is thinking, what is its thought process, what is
Hmm.
how the system to thinking works. So we'll take this simple example. What is the scenario? A civil engineer in India is designing a new flyover in a crowded city like Mumbai, right? There
भाई
are
ये तो उनको
challenges.
चाहिए ये
Yes, yes.
वाला प्रॉम्प्ट तू भेज देना बीएमसी को.
This is a real life example that we are going to be testing it on, right? And we'll
Yeah.
also test a few of them more, right? So let's copy this question
Yeah.
and let's paste the question, right?
So I think I've selected O1 preview. So guys, you
Yes.
I think this is
Rohan,
where we
please
can.
zoom in, थोड़ा zoom in करते
Yeah,
हैं.
yeah. So I think we can see all the available models here, and you have to select this one. So it should be available now to most of the people. And this is our question. So let's see how it performs. और क्या चाहता है निशा, दो टैब खोलू क्या, एक में O1 प्रीव्यू से पूछते हैं और एक में नॉर्मल GPT-4 से पूछते हैं.
पूछ
Do you,
सकते हैं.
do you want to
ये
test
ये भी
that?
किया जा सकता है.
So I think
Let
yes.
me. I
See.
want to. I want to focus on this model.
Okay,
Let's
okay,
focus
okay,
on this model. Yes.
okay.
I want to see the chain of thought. So the model thought for 11 seconds. One. Let's see what it is doing. So
Yeah.
first step, it is doing analyzing load dynamics. I'm working through the design of the flyover, considering the facts that heavy traffic, dynamic impacts. The goal is for proper thickness and the material to prevent structural failure. पहली चीज वो रोहन सोच रहा है thickness और
Yes.
material.
And I think that's a
Hmm.
very interesting thing, right? Because just as a
Hmm.
model it was able to understand कि अगर हम किसी चीज को बहुत ज्यादा टाइम तक रखना चाहते हैं या फ्लाईओवर या कंस्ट्रक्शन वाले चीजों को, so these are the building blocks, right, that it needs to consider before actually going into the implementation phase or designing phase.
That's
it's
right.
it's
Next,
pretty
next stage. What
interesting.
is evaluating design elements? Okay, let's piece together the considerations for the fireworks structural design. Now it's focusing on structural design, including static dynamic loads, material selection, thickness, adhering to Indian design codes like IRC. ये IRC करके भी कुछ है भाई
I have
जिसको
no idea
follow
what
नहीं
is
कर
this
रहा है.
IRC.
This might be some regulation related to the IRC roads. Add IRC roads. What is
I will
IRC
I will
roads, man?
check what is IRC in construction.
Construction India, roads, highways, some
uh,
such like this. Okay, International Residence Code. नहीं रोहन ये तो कुछ और ही है.
or the Indian
Uh, co-
Railway Congress. What? uh,
ये गूगल तो पागल हो गया है. गूगल से बात ही
so
नहीं
yeah,
करने
I
का
think
अभी.
I think but there is some rule that it is trying to
मैं
implement
तेरा
it.
गूगल से ब्रेकअप करवा के ही रहूंगा भाई. तू परप्लेक्सिटी पे जा. गूगल को इस्तेमाल करना ही नहीं है. आई शुड एक्चुअली बैन गूगल. Okay. So search in Perplexity, create a new thread. Let's search. Let's search. Let's do Perplexity searching. So
Let's see.
let's go. What is IRC in Indian road construction? ऐसे लिख दे.
अभी चेन ऑफ थॉट इसके पास नहीं, हमें लिखना ही पड़ेगा. इंडियन
Road
रोड.
construction. हाँ बस इतना लिख दो.
आई थिंक दिस इज मोर देन
हाँ, this is
इनफ,
more
राइट?
than more than
क्या
enough.
लाके देगा गाइस, देखते हैं.
अरे सब लाके दे.
फेसबुक वाले ने क्या किया है. द इंडियन रोड कांग्रेस इज एन एपेक्स बॉडी
The apex
रिस्पॉन्सिबल.
body.
सो आई थिंक या दिस इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एजेंसी.
1933, 1934 दिसंबर में बना था. Nice.
यस. So I think it's clear
Cool,
now.
cool.
Now let's see what the model is doing after that.
It's gathering essential materials, Rohan.
Yeah, so I think it says that I'm considering reinforcing concrete, steels, or compositions. Thickness depend on the structures analysis, including load calculation and bending moments, right? So it's pretty good that it is also taking these things in consideration, like what is the composition that we are going to use, and how it will the load, how it will gonna the structure will gonna change depending on the load or the bending of that infrastructure, right?
जैसे था इसके बाद उसने किया है laying out the options. Reinforced concrete is durable and cost effective. So it's thinking of using reinforced concrete. Any civil engineers can let me know क्या सही चीज
Yeah,
है कि
ये तो
नहीं.
मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ रहा, but that what I can understand is that it was able to from its knowledge base, it has first created that chain of thought, and then it tried to create the outputs or maybe thoughts depending on all the different parameters that it can think of. And from there, this is what it has derived, right? And this is the final output that we can see.
Whoa.
So do you want to
To
test
avoid
it with
structure.
normal GPT-4? So how it is different?
Yeah, yeah. Let's ask the same question to GPT-4o now.
So let's see.
Yeah. Let's create a new tab.
So I think here we have selected GPT-4o.
Mm-hmm.
So I think here the responses will be much faster. See that there is no uh, wait time that we have seen it in the previous model. So it talks about material selection, load
But it's
calculation.
doing kind of similar thing, Rohan. समझ रहा है मतलब
हाँ, but I think
मटेरियल सिलेक्शन है.
हाँ फिर लोड कंसिडरेशन है, फिर थिकनेस
हाँ.
डिटरमिनेशन है, स्ट्रक्चरल एनालिसिस है, थिकनेस
I
डिटरमिनेशन, डायनेमिक नहीं, फिर देख थोड़े बहुत स्टेप्स उसने मिस किए हैं. सो हियर इट, सो दैट्स अ
हम्म.
डिफरेंस, राइट? इट्स नॉट लाइक द बेंचमार्क में भी हमने देखा है कि एकदम ही बुरा नहीं है मॉडल. इट जस्ट यहाँ पे इट्स ओनली थॉट अबाउट दीज फाइनल 4 or 5 steps, राइट? बट चेन ऑफ थॉट यूज करने के कारण इट वाज एबल टू गो टिल 5 or 6 steps. सो देयर इज सम डिफरेंस, but maybe for more complex problems we will see different results. But the whole
The
idea
quality
was
of output changes. It is thinking better, तो output थोड़ा better हो गया.
correct.
And GPT-4o उसने भी reinforcement concrete तो मुझे दिखा 4o में, but again it is like just अभी मैंने तेरे को कोई सवाल पूछा तूने फटाफट फटाफट आंसर दे दिया.
तो
पर
गलती कर
उसमें
सकता
काफी
है उसमें,
मिस्टेक्स
ऐसा
हो गई.
हो
हाँ,
सकता है कि
होगी.
गलती हो सकता है. सेम जैसे
ऑब्वियसली होगी यार.
कोडिंग का आंसर तो वो पहले भी दे पाता था, राइट? बट कभी
हम्म
कभी वो
हम्म
गलत
हम्म
कर देता था एंड द आइटरेशंस यूज्ड टू इंक्रीज.
दैट्स राइट.